Ah, yes. My evil plan. I shall steal the scepter of Germany. With the evil scissors. I will chop him in half like that. And then I will eat him for barbecue. And it will taste like barbecue sauce. And I will put barbecue sauce on the barbecue. So it will taste like barbecue sauce. And then I'll get some steak. And I'm going to dip the steak in that barbecue sauce that I'm going to use the scepter of Germany with. This. I'm going to use this. And it's going to be so good. It's going to be so good. I'll be like, yeah. It will be so evil. It will taste 5 minutes later in Jeremy's lair. The good guy.
I got my scepter. And I'm going to use it. And...
Oh yeah. That other guy, he's trying to use the scepter of Germany to turn you into barbecue sauce.
Say what? Because
Yeah.
I'm Germany.
Barbecue sauce on steak and barbecue.
Ooh.
I'm gonna be at that barbecue party. If it is.
How could you betray me?
Well, I'm kidding. If it is a barbecue party, if it's not, then I won't be at the barbecue party, and I'll probably be at Bojangles.
Beak on it. Pew pew. I didn't kill him. I just
Yeah, right
knocked
over
him
here.
out.
Good acting, right?
Yeah, see, it's very good acting.
Cheese.
That's the thing I'm doing. So, where's the bad guy? I don't know.
He's
I'll just
in
wait.
his lair. He's in his lair, sir, and he wants to make you into barbecue sauce. But if you are barbecue, then I'll go to barbecue party. And if you're not barbecue, then I'll be going. I'll be going to Bojangles or Pizza Hut. If they're not having a pink princess party at Bojangles, I mean,
Boy,
at Pizza Hut.
No. We're going to Pizza Hut. We're going to Pizza Hut.
Yeah.
That's
5 seconds later. I will turn you into barbecue sauce.
What? Am I invited to the party, the barbecue party?
Oh yeah, you will be the barbecue.
Yeah.
Correction, you will be the barbecue sauce. But if it's not a barbecue party, then I'd be going to Chick-fil-A or
No.
maybe Flamin' Amy's.
Oh! I'd rather go to Pizza Hut. I'm going to Pizza Hut after this.
Oh no, you be being barbecue after this.
No, Pizza Hut!
Snip, snip, snip.
Fight for Pizza Hut! No.
No, not pizza.
See, whenever you're fighting someone, you always bite them. I summoned the power of my scepter. It's gotta be magical. Ready for this? Sparkles! Yeah! I'm going to Pizza Hut! Pizza Hut!
Wait, no. I'll be going to Pizza Hut with you. And here's some barbecue sauce for the pizza.
Yeah. Yep, no.
Now we just need to find a container. Oh no! The biggest problem ever. We need to find a container.
Oh no, it's spilling everywhere! Yes.
Now we put this in there. And now we go to Pizza Hut!
Pizza Hut! Pizza Hut! Put it back in!
The end! It's the end, people! And I'm happy because it's the end. Because I get to go to Pizza Hut after this.
Pizza Hut! Pizza Hut!